इन टुडेस वीडियो एक और ज्योग्राफी स्टोरी आपको बताता हूँ. द इंटरेस्टिंग ज्योग्राफिकल फैक्टर्स दैट बिकेम deciding factor for the boundary of West Bengal and the fate and the future of districts like Murshidabad and Malda, which are now part of West Bengal in India. मुर्शिदाबाद एक बहुत important city रहा है. It was the capital of the undivided Bengal. It was the capital and seat, power center of the Nawab of Bengals. Later on, Murshidabad से capital was shifted towards Kolkata. During partition, ये दो districts, Malda district and Murshidabad district, both had Muslim populations as majority. And but they were given to India. In fact, during the partition, 15th August 1947 में मुर्शिदाबाद 2 दिन के लिए was part of East Pakistan, which is now Bangladesh. 17th of August को रिवाइज किया गया Radcliffe line जो बाउंड्री लाइन है, and then मुर्शिदाबाद was brought back into Indian territory, was brought into Indian territory. इसका ज्योग्राफिकल रीजन क्या है, ज्योग्राफिकल स्टोरी क्या है? इसका दो मेन रीजन है. वन रीजन इज इफ मुर्शिदाबाद एंड मालदा वर गिवन टू ईस्ट पाकिस्तान, जो अभी का वेस्ट बंगाल स्टेट है, इट वुड हैव बिकम डिसकंटिन्यूअस बिकॉज नॉर्थ में नॉर्थ एंड साउथ दिनाजपुर है, दार्जिलिंग रीजन्स है, जलपाईगुड़ी रीजन्स है विच आर हिंदू मेजॉरिटी, और साउथ में नादिया है, 24 परगना, बोर्दवान के बांकुरा, दीज एरियाज आर ऑल्सो हिंदू मेजॉरिटी. और जो दो बीच में है मालदा एंड मुर्शिदाबाद, इफ देर गॉन टू ईस्ट पाकिस्तान, देन वेस्ट बंगाल जो स्टेट है इट वुड हैव बिकम डिसकंटिन्यूअस, एंड डिसकंटिन्यूअस स्टेट्स आर ऑलवेज अ ट्रबलसम थिंग, डिफिकल्ट इन डेवलपमेंट, कन्फ्लिक्ट्स होते हैं, वो एक टाइप का एन्क्लेव बन जाता है, एंड वुड हैव हैड लॉट ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव प्रॉब्लम. So, and Bengal was very important state. Bengal was in many ways a deciding factor for a lot of decisions around border demarcations and administration, and even as a part of India's future. So it was important to keep West Bengal state, the new state from the larger Bengal, as a contiguous state. इसलिए मुर्शिदाबाद and Malda, despite the fact that they were Muslim majority states, they were given towards India eventually. इससे ज़्यादा important है the geographical factor around the course of river Hooghly. River Hooghly, it is a distributary of Ganga from a place called as Giriya से ये bifurcate करके नीचे आ जाती है. It passes through parts of Malda and Murshidabad and then into southern West Bengal and Kolkata. In the upper part, Hooghly is called as Bhagirathi. So Malda and part of Murshidabad में as Bhagirathi, अगर these two districts were made part of East Pakistan or Bangladesh, तो क्या होता? Hooghly would have entered into Bangladesh first and then re-entered into India. Now this would have been a major challenge because Hooghly River, अगर पूरा Indian territory में नहीं होता, it would have become a major problem for management, use and operations of the Kolkata port. और हुगली जो है वो एक टाइप का लाइफलाइन है ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल. इट्स इकोनॉमी, सोशल, इट्स रिलीजियस सिग्निफिकेंस, सब कुछ इज अराउंड द हुगली रिवर. हुगली रिवर passes through place called as Nadia, which is the place of birth of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, वही pilgrimage center भी है. So it was very important to keep entire Hooghly within the Indian territory. So इसीलिए Murshidabad and Malda were taken as a part of Indian territory despite the fact that they had Muslim majority population. ये जो change of boundary हुआ था, it was a kind of a bargain that they did. In return, we had to surrender and give up Khulna district and a Chittagong hill tract of present-day Bangladesh. Khulna अगर देखें, just bordering the part of Murshidabad again, it is a Hindu majority district during the partition. Almost 51-52% of Khulna's populations were Hindu and 48% were Muslim populations. तो खुलना हो जाता इंडिया में and Murshidabad, Bangladesh हो जाता part of Bangladesh and then East Pakistan. This would have been an administration nightmare. ये बार्गेन हमने किया कि ठीक है, we are giving away the Hindu majority district of Khulna to East Pakistan. In return, we have taken parts of the Murshidabad and Malda region. And the same is also true for Chittagong hill tracts. Chittagong, जो port है, Chittagong as a city is a very, very important city, a very large port है apart from Dhaka. And Chittagong hill tract was very important for maintaining the sanctity of the Chittagong port for Bangladesh than East Pakistan. हालांकि चिट्टागोंग हिल ट्रैक जो है वो हिल रीजन है which has had more of Buddhist population, Chakma refugees है, people of Tripura, वहाँ Hindus भी हैं. Almost 90-98% of Chittagong hill tracts is actually non-Muslims. So when Murshidabad and Malda were taken into the Indian territory, ये exchange के part में we said, okay, Khulna and Chittagong hill tracts, we will give it to East Pakistan or now Bangladesh. This is all geography. ये जो space का contiguity है, continuous होना चाहिए. Factors like river का जो course है as a factor of the border demarcation, factors related to water issues. So India, Bangladesh and Pakistan का जो border बना, of course a major very important factor was religion, communal issues थे. Okay, but we did not ignore some of the other factors also. The course of the rivers, the socioeconomic conditions, the factors related to ethnicity and other factors which are part of maintaining administration, ये भी important decisions थे. And not only factors related to the majority of Hindu or Muslim population. So that's the story of Murshidabad and how the Radcliffe Line was modified to bring in Murshidabad and Malda into Indian territory. These kind of videos I'll keep posting. Do let me know if you want to know something differently. Please share and like this video and let me know if you can discuss with me on some of these factors where geography has been critical to the political economic history of a region.
Geography Optional Foundation course by Shabir Sir, where you will get live interactive classes and course completion in a module-based approach. Scan the QR code and join now.